Filipino loves to drink.
Oh, see? So, my loves, I have wine here. So, it's our favorite. And as you can see, we're always walking here in this place though. So, I think it's perfect for drinks while you are walking around here. As you can see, wow. Ouch! I feel like something in my foot. Look, I have so dirty feet.
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, did you hear that? Did you hear something? Actually, my butt is so dirty because we've been to my brother and we, you know, I'm gonna upload my video later. You must see the full video of this. I'm going to make a full video. Let's drink. Look how nice it is. Every time you walk up the list, I love you. Yummy. A Filipina loves to drink. So maybe they're thinking I'm drunk. Maybe they're thinking I'm drunk though. Look. I look like